Hi everyone, I hope everyone is doing well today, and thank you so much for deciding to watch my video. And today's video is from, as you can tell by that bright pink box, from Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. And this is the first month that I am getting this. It is $25 a month. You receive 5 full-size products. They do personalize it using your beauty profile, hopefully. Right now, it's only for U.S. members. They do have plans to expand at a later date, and they do not give that date on their website. And you don't need to get both the Ipsy Glam Bag regular bags and in order to get the Glam Bag Plus. You can just go straight to Ipsy.com/plus, and basically there is no waiting list at the moment, so you can go right on and get it. And from what I read on their site, if you order directly through that Ipsy.com/plus, you basically, anybody that's been on the wait list, you're going to skip right ahead of them and go right and get your box. Now, I know I was on the wait list and I just had to email them, and I got, and I did that in, I think the end of March, and they said I would possibly get the May box, but I got an email that I would get the April one. So this is the April Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and you know, it's a good size box. Just came. So I just slid it, so we'll open it. Okay, so it's nice. Here's the inside. Don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you, and it's the Glam Bag Plus. Has the nice packing foam, and this is Fresh Spring Beauty. It's the little pamphlet, and this just gives you, you know, information on, I would assume, all the products. Yes, all the products in the box. So we'll be using that as a reference. So the first item that's in here, and this does give value, so that's good. The first item in here is a palette by Laura Sanchez, and it's called Moods. And that's a pretty neat. And here's the back. Pretty nice. And this just slides right out. Of course, I can never get these to do that. And the packaging, this is the front of the palette. And then this is the back of the palette. So if you just continue it straight over, it's just continual artwork, which is very, very nice. And that has a little bit of a shine to it. It has a nice mirror. And there is, you know, there is plastic and it is taped. So there's a nice mirror. I'm just going to cover that so that I don't blind you with the reflection. So here are the colors that you do get. Pretty yellows and purples and pinks. So you have 4 shimmers, and the top 4 are mattes. So you have some neutrals, greens, and then here I would assume they are like either highlighters or a bronzer and a highlighter. Oh, and it's a highlighter palette. So these both are highlighters. So I don't want to blind you guys. This one's a little, you know, more like champagne-y, and then this is more your white. Comes with a brush. I can't say I would use that, but it's nice that it comes with a brush. I mean, I do have tons and tons of brushes. So there are all the colors there. And I love the packaging. Very, very pretty. And this does, and I'll show you to you in the book. This way, if you wanted to pause and read, I'm not going to bore all of you with all of that information. It does have a value of $35. This way, if you wanted to read all that, you could. The next product in here, I'm going to go in order in the book and make it a little bit easier, is Lovecraft Beauty, and this is a blush palette. And here are the colors. This one I am definitely not going to swatch because I have some giveaways that I'm gathering stuff up for, and I have one blush and highlighter palette from Wander Beauty that I have because I want to include a blush, and I will also include this one. It does have a mirror. And let's just block that off. I just don't want, oh, and it is taped, so I don't want to untape it. So there are, I'm trying to do it without the glare, the colors. So it's Alfeda, Dauphine, and Kalia. Yeah, I'm not sure how you say that. So these are some nice warm tone colors. And I'll re-show you the colors on the back of the box. It might be a little bit easier. That's not a true representation of that color, but so that's nice. So that's there. And then I will show it to you in the book, and that has a value of $39. So there it is right there. If you guys wanted to read any of that, hopefully it's okay. And then it looks like we have a product from Paris Hilton Skincare. And here's the box. And this is dual action cleansing gel. Okay, that's nice. To figure out how to get into it. Okay. It does come with some. So here's the packaging. Nice packaging. And this is 4 ounces. Pro DNA Advanced Skincare System. Use twice a day. Your typical, you know, skincare product. But that's a nice size, and that's a pretty full tube. And what else? Oh, there's a little pamphlet inside the box. So that's good to have skincare being included also. So I will show you that in the book, and that has a $29 value. So here it is right there. So if you guys wanted to read that, you can. And then we have something from Goldfaden MD, and this is Bright Eyes, Dark Circle Radiance Concentrate. So let's open this up. This has a value of $55. And this is what the product looks like. And this is a little pump. So you can see the little pump there. And this is 0.5 ounces. But I'm sure you just probably need a little tiny pump. So this could last, you know, for a good amount of time. So I enjoy getting skincare. And I'll show you that in the pamphlet. So there it is right there. The picture. And if you guys want to read that. The next product I'm excited about because I am a huge supporter and fan of Benefit Cosmetics, and I do not have this. And this is their highbrow pencil, and this is full size. This is there's 2 items I don't have, and that's their like the pen that they have that has several colors in it to do your brows and highlight. I don't have that, and I didn't have this, but I have everything else for eyebrows from Benefit. So this is what it looks like. It's just highbrow. And it is your pencil right there. Can't wait to try this. So you would put, oh, that is very creamy and buttery. So you would put that on, and then you just, you know, blend it out so that you get your little bit of, it's right here. Get your little bit of your highlights, or your sheen, so you can see that, the little bit of, so that's nice. I can't wait to actually try that. It's one of the products that I've been wanting, but just never purchased. So let me show you in the book, and that has a value of $22. So here it is in the book. And I think they're they're all the items that we got in the box. I didn't know, I mean the Ipsy, I'm sorry, Boxy. Here I am thinking of BoxyCharm with all this, and this is the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I don't know if they have versions, like if everybody gets the same. I think everybody might get the same. I don't think, unlike other companies where they do variants. So you got the Paris Hilton Skincare, the Goldfaden Bright Eyes, which is nice. I'm excited about the highbrow pencil from Benefit, the Lovecraft Beauty blush palette, and then from Laura Sanchez, her Moods eyeshadow palette. So that's everything that is in the box for April 2019. So that's the video for today. And please leave me a comment and a thumbs up for the video. It really does help the channel. It helps with the algorithm with YouTube, whether they recommend my video and my channel on other people's pages, which will, you know, help the channel grow. And please don't forget to subscribe. And thanks so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye-bye.